Hello everybody! Today I'll be showing you how to change your calculator's battery. Here are the things you need. One AAA battery and a cross-tip small screwdriver. First, unscrew all 6 screws you see on the surface of your calculator using your small screwdriver. Then, take off the back cover of the calculator and it will reveal the circuit of the calculator. Next, take your old or spoiled battery, I struggled a bit on this, and replace it with your new battery. After that, put the calculator back cover back on and screw all the 6 screws back into its original position tightly. And there we go, as good as new.